Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for the Alfalah app. First, download the Alpha by Bank Alfalah application from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and tap on Register Now or Already a Bank Alfalah account holder if you have an existing account. Carefully read and accept the terms and conditions to move forward with the registration process. Next, you will need to provide your banking details. Select your preferred registration method, such as using your account number, debit card, or credit card. Then, accurately enter your full Bank Alfalah account number, your computerized national identity card number, and the mobile number registered with the bank. Also, input your date of birth as recorded by the bank. Beyond performance, the Razor Cobra's design prioritizes comfort and durability. Its symmetrical shape accommodates different grip styles, ensuring a comfortable fit for many users. The optical mouse switches are incredibly durable, rated for an impressive 90 million clicks, guaranteeing longevity. Plus, the vibrant chroma RGB lighting, offering 16.8 million colors, adds a personalized touch to your gaming station. To finalize your registration, you must call the Bank Alfalah helpline for activation. Once activated, you will receive a one-time activation code, split between your registered email and mobile number. Combine these two parts of the code with your chosen username to log in for the first time. You can then set your personal mobile app PIN for quick and secure future access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.